What's good, my friend? Welcome to another video. If we haven't met yet, my name is Ted and I talk bass this channel. And what I do here on this channel is I make bass videos, tips, and tutorials for folks that want to understand the bass a little bit better. One of the best ways to do that, I think, is by learning real songs. And I've been going back in the crates, getting re-inspired, listening to songs that, took me there back in the day. Today we're talking about Dream On Dreamer by the Brand New Heavies, 90s group, which was kind of unique at the time. A lot of things were going on. This is kind of right at the cusp of the whole grunge thing. Not quite, we haven't gotten to neo soul yet. There's a lot of things happening in the 90s, but this was one of the very few groups, by my recollection, that was like organic, had that real organic old school sound. You know what I'm saying? Live instruments and everything. I would still put them in the neo soul category, even though neo soul wasn't really a term that we were using just yet. If you like this stuff, like it if you like it. Subscribe if you want to. I try to put out videos when I can, and there's a lot of content here. So, be in there with me if you want to. Okay, so let's talk about it. So, let me just play the chorus groove. So that is, bass is a little hot there. That is chorus section. So D flat, B, and then slide up to the D flat with the octave. That's the first part. And we're E flat to E natural. E flat, A flat. And then the octave. That's a lick that happens periodically through the groove. G flat, A flat, B. So I usually say this toward the end, but what I like to do on this with these videos is use this to just crack the door open. You got to walk through it. You got to go listen to the song. The name of the album is Brother Sister. There's a gang of bass, gang of good playing on this record. So I highly suggest checking it out. The verse of this is very similar. Matter of fact, it's so similar. I'm gonna play it real quick. Hey, dude, put your 2 feet on the ground. Same ingredients. That's Brother Sister from the Brother Sister album, Dream On Dreamer. Again, I just gave you, use my stuff, the stuff that I'm doing here as a reference. If it's your first time, you haven't met me, I haven't met you, my vibe is I want you to feel like we're here together. You just kicking it with a homie around the block. We having a couple of beers. I don't really drink beer, but you know what I'm saying. And then you take it home and then, dig a little deeper in the crates. So, quick video. That is Dream On Dreamer. If you like this content, go on and just destroy that like button and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. If you want to see more videos like this, there's a playlist and a video that YouTube thinks you might like, subscribe button right down there. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Two fingers.